Welcome back YouTube, and today we have an unexpected package. You already know what it is because you read the title. So I'm doing this thing called a Monster Bash this Saturday where I get to dress up and chase people around some like haunted, mazy kind of house. Never done it before, looking forward to it. But originally I thought, I'm going to dress up as Krampus, and it's going to be like 90 degrees, 95 or something like that, and I thought I'm just going to boil. So I thought I'd change up my costume. I'm going to go with Bubba from Dark Knight the Scarecrow. So I ordered the mask, and it was supposed to come like the next day or 2 days later. Then it suddenly said it's coming on, it would have been next Tuesday, and I'm like, oh, well that's no good. So I had bought like straw bits for my arms and all that kind of stuff, returned them, got like some kind of like a Jason outfit. So I thought, okay, I'm just gonna go as Jason. And then today it says, oh, outfit delivery, your mask. I'm like, oh, couldn't make it up. So I want to do a box opening anyway, or a bag opening. But yeah, I mean, this film is so good. I love it. Dark Knight the Scarecrow. And Salem's Lot, best, in my opinion, best, oh, the flick out was good. Let's do that again. There you go. Best TV horror movies ever. If you haven't seen it, check it out. It's on YouTube. You can actually watch it for free on YouTube. 1981, amazing. So obviously I thought I'd do a you can smell the rubber. So I thought I'd do a little box opening or bag opening. This is so cool. So here is Bubba. Look at that. Look at that for a thumbnail. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. Feels quite heavy. Ready for the big reveal. Big reveal. Oh, it's so cool. Pop him out a bit. How good is that? I mean, it's not obviously burlap or anything, it's rubber. Is that real rope on there? I think it's real rope, but it's like kind of glued. Oh my god, it's so amazing. There he is, obviously Trick or Treat Studios. There's the tag. Dangling about. Trick or Treat, give me something good to eat. So good. Okay, I guess I need to try it on, don't I? Legend has it, if you put it on, you get possessed by the spirit of Bubba and become the Scarecrow. Okay guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget we have cool hats for sale. Check our description. Lost carton. Crappy Halloween. What do you say, Al? We have our new buddy Al. Al the alien. We'll see you later. Bubba says, I didn't do it.